Hey guys, what's up? This is Faraz from Acapel Unfiltered, and this video is just for me to express what are my thoughts and what does John Cena meant to me. And most of the people of child children grown up in my generation. So I was around 12 years old when I got introduced to John Cena. He came out during that cut angle segment जो आप सभी को पता होगा, and he was like a newbie, and we were like एक और नया आ गया है, कुछ नहीं होगा इसका, he won't do anything great. And now but now we all know that it was all history. John Cena did something that no one ever would achieve, and can't be and won't be replicated anytime soon, or even in the future. I don't think so anyone can replicate what John Cena did for us, for me. He was like a role model because he stood for hustle, loyalty, respect. I know it will sound a little bit childish, but for us, a child, I was 12 years old, as I told you, that meant something. Okay, there is a person who will be there, who is standing there against all oppression, against, मतलब बचपन में तो wrestling असली लगती थी ना, right? It was real to us, damn it. And बचपन में असली लगता था, एंड दैट्स वाई हम लोग बिलीव भी करते थे कि जॉन सीना तो असली में है, जॉन सीना असली में ऐसा है. एंड दैट शेप्ड अस. सही और गलत की पहचान आप कोई भी किताब पढ़ने से वो नहीं जान पाओगे जितना आप लोगों को देख के जान पाओगे, मेरे हिसाब से. एंड व्हाट जॉन सीना डिड फॉर मेनी ऑफ अस इज जस्ट बियॉन्ड वर्ड्स, आई थिंक. मतलब I still remember watching that match between John Cena and JBL, that last man standing man, sorry, I quit match, in which John Cena का पूरा मुंह लहू लुहान था. मतलब he was he was spewing blood like waterfalls. His whole face was covered in blood, and he stood up, fight for. And I was like, I was a 14 years old. At by that time, I was 14-year old, a 14-year-old child with his mouth wide open, looking at the TV screen, and was like, "What the hell is he doing?" And he won that match, and the rest is history for me. By that time, John Cena was and is the best thing ever happened for me in wrestling. I started watching wrestling because of Undertaker and Stone Cold, but I stayed for John Cena. John Cena kept me hooked, and I'm still a wrestling fan, as I occasionally watch wrestling. And today I didn't have the guts to watch that final match because I know he will lose. He's the kind of person who will give. He's a giving person. He likes to give back to the business of wrestling what the business has given back to him through all these years. And I knew he will tap out. मतलब मुझे लगा था he will tap out, and that broke me literally. I cried multiple times in the evening while watching those promos, while watching his entrance. Especially his entrance made me cry. मतलब I know those 90,000 lucky people who were able to be present in that arena at Washington DC. Though all of you 19,000 people, you are freakingly lucky, because most of us don't get a chance to watch John Cena live in person. I never get a chance to watch him because there were financial issues, there were work related issues, there were family related issues. But yeah, I always wished to watch him live once before he retired. But that dream will be a dream now, because I believe when he says that he will never return, because he's unlike many wrestlers. John Cena is like a person who always stood for um, right, and this is his right to take to take his retirement. And I love that he get to retire on his terms, in his way, whenever he wanted to retire, unlike many wrestlers whose career ended just because of an injury or because of something bad happening in their life. He get a proper, beautiful uh, bookend to his wrestling journey. People in his peak, जॉन सीना का एक टाइम ऐसा आया था कि पीपल लिटरली हेटेड हिम कि ये हर मैच जीत जाता है, ये तो ऐसा है. बट मी एंड माय ब्रदर, वी नेवर booed John Cena. We can't boo John Cena. चाह कर भी boo नहीं कर सकते. The closest I come to booing John Cena was when he was facing Rock, because Rock का मैं ज़्यादा बड़ा fan था उस टाइम पे. But even in that moment also, I was like, एक मैच Rock जीता, एक मैच John Cena जीता, हम तो खुश है उसी में. And that WrestleMania build up, I still remember the songs. Uh, John Cena's song Invincible. It was such a beautiful song. And Written in the Stars. मतलब वो गाने आज भी मेरे मोबाइल में हैं. आज भी मैं उन गानों को सुनता हूँ. एंड जॉन सीना की थीम तो क्लासिक है, ये आप सभी को पता है. His Thugonomics themes is my ringtone currently. So John Cena has always been a part of my life, and he will always be remain a part of my life. And it's sad. I was crying like a baby in the morning while watching his entrance when he hugged Kurt Angle, when he hugged Mark Henry, when he hugged Rob Van Dam, when he hugged Sami Zayn, Kevin Owens. It was a real moment to see. Yeah, this is the last time I'm watching my childhood hero. Yeah, people jokingly said कि childhood end हो गया, ये joke से हमारा childhood end हो गया, इस moment से. But today literally I felt like my childhood has ended, book ended, because John Cena's career is over in wrestling. But I love that we get to watch him in Peacemaker, in Hollywood movies and in Hollywood shows, and that's good. That we will remain with us for a long time, but in a different format, in a different avatar. And yes, John Cena, brother, it was a pleasure. It was a pleasure watching you on our screen weekly. And I still remember in early days of Twitter in 2009 10s, I think, the when I made a new Twitter account. At that time, I tweeted to John Cena. There was a match, upcoming match. I think it was against Miz, and I tweeted him. Judgment Day was a pay per view, and John Cena. I tweeted at John Cena कि will you win this match? मतलब क्या क्या एज थी 2011 में. I was around 19 I think. सॉरी 2009 में 1918 एज रही होगी मेरी. एंड मैंने ट्वीट आउट किया जॉन सीना को कि वी विल यू विन. एंड लिटरली नेक्स्ट वीक व्हेन, बिकॉज तब साइबर कैफे में जाते थे तो वीक में एक बार ही मौका मिलता था, पैसे मिलते थे जाने के लिए. तो नेक्स्ट वीक जब मैं गया देखने तो जॉन जॉन सीना का लिटरली रिप्लाई था उस पे कि फाइंड आउट वाइल एंड वॉच एंड फाइंड आउट, सी यू देयर. उसे पता नहीं था कि मैं नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकता यूएसए जाना. मैं लखनऊ से ट्वीट कर रहा हूँ उसे. बट इट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर कि मैं घर भाग के आया, मैंने मेरे भाई को बताया, अरे यार राहुल सिन्हा ने मुझे ट्वीट किया. उसने कहा नहीं, मैं बिलीव नहीं कर रहा हूँ. तो नेक्स्ट डे पैसे अम्मी के पर्स से निकाल के मैं दिखाया उसे ले जाके कि देखो जॉन सीना ने ट्वीट किया है मुझे. और आज भी, और रिसेंटली जब मेरे भाई ने ट्विटर पे अकाउंट बनाया तो जॉन सीना फॉलोड हिम. तो 2 साल पहले की बात है. सो ही वाज लिटरली शोइंग एवरीवन, देखो जॉन सीना मुझे फॉलो कर रहा है, जॉन सीना. एंड आई वाज लाइक सो जेलस कि यार इसे फॉलो कर रहा है, मुझे भी फॉलो करना चाहिए जॉन सीना. बट इट फेल्ट गुड कि यार जॉन सीना जैसे अपने फैंस के लिए है. मतलब मैं पास वर्ड्स नहीं है इस वक्त कहने के लिए जॉन सीना के करियर के बारे में. आप सभी को पता है उसकी स्पिनर बेल्ट के बारे में. दैट इज स्टिल माय फेवरेट बेल्ट. आई डोंट गिव अ फक व्हाट अदर से कि बेल्ट अच्छी थी, वो कार्टून लगती थी, वो चाइल्डिश लगती थी. मेरी फेवरेट बेल्ट है वो आज भी. कितने भी डिजाइन है, दैट स्पिनर बेल्ट. इट वाज अ ड्रीम at 14 15 to own a belt like that. We have never fulfilled that dream, but inshallah one day we'll do. Yeah, John Cena, you have been a really big part of my childhood and also my adulthood. I started watching you at the age of 12 and now I'm 35. I'm still watching you, bro, and love you for everything you did. Your Make a Wish inspired me to be a better person. Your personality, your conversation, your conversation during your interviews, the way you carry yourself, all these things inspire people like me to be better, to strive for better, and uh, just to be a good human being. I think that's what matters the most. And John Cena, for me, he will be and always be a good human being first, and a great wrestler, and a great icon, and a great legend. I don't. The term "goat" is thrown around like a pillow while playing. uh, the term "goat" has been thrown around for every Tom, Dick, and Harry. But I think the only person in wrestling for me is a goat, and he's John Cena. After that, everyone comes. मतलब Undertaker retired, many wrestlers retired. मैं कभी रोया नहीं हूँ. I felt bad for a while Undertaker retiring. Goosebumps आए थे, but I cried literally multiple times in the morning while watching those segments. And John Cena, I know you will never watch this video, but bro, you meant a lot to me, to my brothers. Literally, my brother has been posting uh, multiple stories since past few weeks about your retirement, and he's like, I'm gonna cry. He's and हम सब relate कर सकते हैं, हम सब देख रहे हैं उन stories को. And this is one of one of this is also one of a kind of my way to saying thank you. And yeah, that this last year of John Cena's run, uh, I don't want to talk about that because I started to develop. And also, and I, if अच्छा हो बुरा हो, I don't care. I didn't want it to end in the end, कि खत्म ना हो, एक महीना और चल जाए जॉन सीना, रेसल महीना तक रुक जाए जॉन सीना, ये था मेरे दिल में हमेशा से. I wanted him to stay till WrestleMania, but yeah, he's a man of his word, and I think he'll kept his word. So until next time, hustle, loyalty, respect, John Cena. Salute, brother. Take care. Bye bye. Hasta la vista.